Hey everybody, it's Erin from theyouthmethod.com and I'm here with a delicious new superfood recipe for you. I know I've been on a chocolate kick lately, so I've got one more today. It's cold here in upstate New York, and growing up I had hot chocolate all the time, so it's kind of like a really cozy comfort food for me. So I wanted to come up with a recipe that was much better than what I was drinking when I was a little child. So this one is full of healthy superfoods, no refined sugars, and it tastes absolutely delicious. So I wanted to be sure and share it with you. If you're in the cold weather, this is such a yummy way to have hot chocolate and not feel guilty. So this is called my Superfood Hot Chocolate, and you know, I love superfoods. I talk about them a lot, but they're really wonderful. They have so many antioxidants in them to give you better energy, more beautiful skin, fight disease, fight inflammation in your body. So they're just all around great to try to have every single day. And this recipe is full of superfoods. So we'll get right to the recipe. So you're going to need about a 3/4 cup to a cup of just boiled water. So I usually boil the water and I let it sit for like 30 seconds to a minute, just to let it cool down a little bit. And so I actually measured that out already before I did the boiling of the water. So I'm just gonna pour that right in my cup. So again, that's 3/4 cup to a cup. And of course, you know me, I have to have fun little mug. So I've got my pretty mug that my best friend gave me. So that is 3/4 cup or 1 cup of hot water, just boiled. Then, if you've been watching my videos at all, you know I love raw cacao. So not cocoa, but raw cacao. Raw cacao has amazing benefits. It's not heated at those high temperatures, so it keeps all of those amazing antioxidants. It actually has more antioxidants than blueberries. And you guys know how much I love blueberries. And so all of those antioxidants, like I talked about before, are just gonna help fight inflammation in your body. So it's gonna give you more energy, give you beautiful skin, just all the things I talked about a few minutes ago. So the other thing that I love about cacao, raw cacao, is that it actually increases your good feel hormones. So you're just gonna have more energy, you're gonna feel better, it's gonna improve your mood. And the last thing, there's many things, but the last thing I'll talk about today is that raw cacao actually has the same energy lifting boost that coffee does, but without that jittery feeling that some people get. So it's really great if you're someone that drinks coffee and gets jittery. This will not do that, but it'll give you that energy boost just like coffee does. So for this recipe, we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of raw cacao. So you're just gonna put that right in the mug. And then we're gonna stir that up. Let me get another spoon. So I just like to stir that in first, and then we'll add, if you could see this, I wish I could show this to you, but it looks delicious already. So that was 2 tablespoons of raw cacao. Then my other favorite superfood is turmeric. Again, this has so many antioxidants in it. It does all the beautiful things that raw cacao does. It decreases inflammation. And when you decrease inflammation in your body, not just are you going to get improved energy, more beautiful skin, it also, because it decreases inflammation in your body, if you have any achy joints or arthritis, because it's decreasing inflammation, it's gonna help to decrease that painful joint as well. So this, we're only doing a small amount, and I promise you won't taste it. It's just 1/8 of a teaspoon. So I just put that in and give it a nice stir. And then we're gonna add 1 teaspoon. You can kind of have your choice of what you choose here, but you're gonna do 1 teaspoon of either coconut oil, MCT oil, which I'll put a link below if you wanna buy that, or coconut cream. And so this is a really great healthy fat to add to this. It's gonna help your body be better able to absorb all the nutrients that are in the drink, in the hot chocolate. And healthy fats are really great for balancing your hormones too. So we're gonna put a teaspoon of whatever of those fats you choose to put in. I love MCT oil. So I'm gonna stir that up. And then what do we have left here? We've got another great antioxidant is cinnamon. So we're putting about a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. You don't have to put that much in, but I love cinnamon. So you could put a fourth of a teaspoon if you're not a big fan of it, but I love it, so I'm putting a half a teaspoon. And cinnamon's interesting because just like the other superfoods that we've been talking about, it has tons of antioxidants to help you decrease inflammation, but it's also the number 7 number 7 on the list of the best antioxidants, most powerful antioxidants in the world. So why not try to add it to your diet every day? You can add it to smoothies, hot chocolate. And the other interesting thing about cinnamon is it's actually a natural breath freshener, so another great reason to do it. Okay, so that's all stirred in, and then you can, what I like to do, and especially if you're making this for little kiddos, 1 teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of raw honey. Raw pure honey. So remember, if you've seen any of my videos, the raw pure honey is super important because it's raw and pure, so all of the great antioxidant benefits that honey has won't be taken away because it hasn't been heated at those high temperatures. So you're getting all of those beautiful benefits of it. It's a natural sweetener. It's not going to give you huge sugar spikes. Okay, I don't think I'm going to be able to show you this. It looks so delicious. I think if I just tip it a little bit, you can see, yes, you can. Look at how dark and chocolatey that is. So you can stop here. I'm going to taste it while I'm here with you guys. Oh my gosh, it's so delicious. So you can stop here and just have it straight hot chocolate. Oh wait, I forgot one ingredient. Oops. So then you're gonna put in, if you want it a little bit more creamy, I like to put in either about 1/4 cup of almond milk or 1/4 cup of coconut milk. And that makes it even creamier. So let me try that now. I have to take a sip. Oh yeah, that adds just a little bit more creaminess to it. So you can stop there with that creamy deliciousness, or if you want to be really indulgent, you can add some coconut whipped cream on top. I can put the recipe below the video for that, and also some cacao nibs. So cacao nibs have all of the same amazing benefits of cacao, full of fiber, and they taste amazing on anything. So that's sometimes what I'll do if I'm feeling really indulgent today. I'm just going to enjoy the plain cup of hot chocolate, superfood hot chocolate. And so like I said, why have the sugar-filled ones that are going to produce inflammation in your body? It's just not good for you when you can have this delicious cup of hot chocolate with all these amazing health benefits at the same time. So I hope you enjoy it. If you love recipes like this, be sure to comment below. And comment below on what future recipes you'd like to make. I'm gonna get off my chocolate kick here and start making some other delicious recipes. I'm actually got some smoothie recipes in the works that I will post soon. And you know, I just hope you enjoy these recipes and really realize that you can have amazing, delicious food and still be healthy and still eat clean so that your body is working at its best and feeling its best. So, and if you want a full plan to help you enjoy delicious food like this, still lose weight, still feel amazing, be sure to check out my 72-hour flat belly detox below. It includes 3 days of delicious recipes that are full of healthy superfoods that are gonna help you detox your body. And it also has 3 of my 10-minute workouts. So it's a great way to just a great kickstart to your health. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. You can subscribe below so that you get notified of my new videos, or you can subscribe right here. And we'll see you guys next time.